Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel to your Google AdWords account and then set up a remarketing list of those people who watched the video so you can target them on the Google display network. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hello, I'm Muzair and thanks for joining in. This video is all about how to set up a remarketing list of those people who watched the video, a YouTube video, either on YouTube or anywhere on the internet. So there are a couple of things you need to do before you are able to remarket to them. So let's head over to our AdWords interface and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So this is the new Google AdWords interface. You go under shared library under in audience manager, and then you go from the audiences list, you click the create remarketing list, and then you're going to go to the YouTube users. If you haven't linked your YouTube channel to AdWords account, I would highly recommend you do that, even if you aren't uploading any videos right now. But as soon as you start to upload videos onto your YouTube channel, then you'll be able to get the data from YouTube analytics into AdWords. So you click on link YouTube channel, add channel. Now to add your channel, you must own that channel or be granted permission by the channel owner. So then you'll be able to do that. So you add channel, either you paste your URL of your YouTube channel or you put in your name of your channel. Sometimes it doesn't show up. There you go, it's there. I own the channel, and then you go to YouTube. Once it loads up, I'll select which one I want to make, and now you're going to go to this prompt where you can assign a name to your AdWords account. So I can just say SF Digital Test Account, and now it gives you some checkboxes for your permissions for your account. So view count and call to action, remarketing and engagement. I want them all to be checked and go finish. And now we can see that my test account is linked in over here. And when you go back to your AdWords account, you will see that the channel has popped up here and it says awaiting approval. So let me refresh it. And now it's linked. So all you need to do is just refresh it, because AdWords thinks that I'm not given that permission from YouTube. So once that's done, you go back to your account under audience manager, and then you go plus YouTube visitors, and now I'm going to make create a name for my audience list. So I can say something like who watched any YT video. So anyone who has watched any of my video on any of my YouTube videos. You get loads of options over here. Viewed any video from a channel, certain videos. So if you've got different subjects and different topics, then you can select and create a very granular audience list. Viewed any video as an ad from a channel, subscribed, visited the channel page. So you can see, but I'm just going for this video, I'm going to select viewed any video from a channel, and that is my channel. Again, initial list size include people from the past 120 days. You can change it, or you can select start from an empty list. And the membership duration, whether you wish to keep it 30 days or you can make it a maximum of 540 days. And I've said it in the past that I never tend to go that big, because if someone is not converting after 90 or 120 days, then it's no point in chasing them. It's just going to annoy them. So you can choose whichever the membership duration are in here. Create, and now you've got your audience list of those who watched any of your YouTube videos. And that's how easy it is to start targeting those visitors, or not those visitors, but those viewers of your videos. And this is one of my most favorite targeting practices, because the way I use this strategy is I put up videos like this one on YouTube, optimize it for organic traffic. So anybody who finds my video on YouTube or anywhere else and watches it, they automatically get entered into my remarketing list on AdWords. And then I can remarket to them using either a video ad or an image or text ad on the Google display network. And that works very well for me, as the initial targeting, either it could be from a video ad or just somebody who was searching on YouTube for a particular video and came across one of my videos and they watched my video. So as soon as they watch my video, they get entered into this list. So that's how easy it is to create an audience list for your remarketing using YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like me to create videos like this one, then please enter it in the comment box below and I'll do my best to create one for you. I thank you for your time and I really do appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.